Hi, boys and girls. So today's story is titled The Swimming Sisters. Remember, the words underneath the picture are called, it's a caption, and a caption lets you know what's happening in the picture. So this one says Kim Castro, so this is a picture of Kim Castro, and this one says Val Castro, and this is a picture of Val Castro. Kim and Val Castro are swimming sisters. Kim is 16, Val is 15. So Kim is 16 and Val is 15. The sisters swim for the Red River Swim Program, or the RRSP. Both of them are fast. In fact, they are two of the fastest swimmers in the state. I went to see the two sisters at the pool where they swim. They were training for a big meet. What does the word meet mean? It means to come together for a competition. So this is not talking about the meat we eat. This is talking about coming together for a competition or a game. So I said, do I dare ask which of you is faster? Do you remember who the narrator of the stories are? Who is the publisher of the book? He is the narrator. Yes, Mark Deeds. Who are the swimming sisters? What are their names? Kim Castro and Val Castro. Kim smiled. I am faster in the sprints, she said, but Val is faster in the long races. Friends, sprints are something that are very fast, so you get them done quicker. So Kim is better at those fast swimming sprints, and Val is faster at the longer races. So what counts as a sprint in swimming? The 50 free is a sprint, said Kim. 50 free is 50 yards in a pool swimming in any style as fast as possible. And the sprint is to move at top speed for a short distance. 50, I said. Is that 50 feet? No, said Kim. It's 50 yards. Gosh, I said. 50 yards? That's a sprint? It sounds long to me. You see, I am not much of a swimmer. The 50 free is an all-out sprint, Kim said. It's like the 100-yard dash in track. It's over in a flash. The 100 free is a sprint, too. What does 100-yard dash mean? Running as fast as possible for 100 yards. So the 50 free is she has to swim as fast as she can for 50 yards. What is a track? A track is a sport in which runners, jumpers, pole vaulters, and discus throwers compete. Describe what Mark thinks of the 50 yards. What did he say? Mark thinks that it is a long way. How does Kim say the 50 free is like track? Kim says the 50 free is like the 100-yard dash and track, and it's over in a flash. Here's the swimming pool they practice in. So what counts as a long race in swimming? The 500 free is a long race, Kim groaned. It's too long for me. I start to get tired after 150 yards or so. But not Val. The longer the race is, the better she is. So a 500 free is swimming as fast as possible for 500 meters in a pool. Wow, that's a lot. The 500 free is my best race, said Val. 500 yards? I said. What's that? 100 laps? A lap is going the length of a pool one way. No, Val said. In a 25-yard pool, it's up and back 10 times. So she has to go up and back 10 times. So that would be 1, up, back, 2, up, back, 3, and so on. I jotted notes in my notebook. What does jotted mean? To write a quick note. So here they are in a race, in a competition. So let's see, I said. 100 yards counts as a short race. Kim is good at the short races. 500 yards is a long race. Val is good at the long races. Is there a race that is longer than 100 yards or shorter than 500? Yes, There is, said Kim. The 200 free. So which you speedsters win that race? I asked. What is a speedster? Someone who is very fast. Kim looked at Val. She had a smile on her face. It was a sister-to-sister smile. And there was something else in it. There was a sort of challenge in the look. Val smiled back. She had the same look on her face. I waited. At last, Kim spoke. It's hard to say who is faster in the 200 free. Sometimes Val wins, and sometimes I win. I see, I said. It sounds like the 200 free is the race to see. When will that race take place? So the race to see, what does that mean? The most exciting race to watch. It will be on Sunday, said Val, the last day of the state meet. And remember, a state meet is a competition where the best competitors from an entire state come together to race against each other. I got out my pen and wrote, Sunday, the 25th, 200 free, Castro versus Castro. And remember, when you see a trophy, it means it is the end of the story. Why do you think Mark Deeds says the 200 free is the race to see? Yeah, because Kim wins and sometimes Val wins, so there's no way to know who will win this time. All right, friends, so now what I need you to do is I need you to complete these 2 pages. I posted the story with the pages in case you need to refer back to it because you weren't sure of the answers. But number 1 says, in what sport do Kim and Val Castro excel? A, they excel at spelling. B, they excel at swimming. Or C, they excel at running. And remember, excel means to do really, really well at something. Number 2 says, which sister is faster in sprint races, Kim or Val? So you say Kim is faster than Val, A, or B, Val is faster than Kim. So if you don't remember who's faster in the sprints, go up and reread it because the answer is in there. And number 3 says, how old is Kim? Number 4 says, how old is Val? Again, that was in the very beginning. Remember when we read it right here? It told you how old each sister was. And then for number 5, it says, which sister do you think will win the 200 free in the big meet and why? So tell me, Kim will win because, or Val will win because? And that's all you have to do. Have a good day. Bye.